Hey there, beautiful souls. Welcome back to our channel Health and Beauty Vibes. Today, we're diving into a topic that's close to many hearts: hair growth. If you've been longing for those luscious locks, you're in the right place. I'm thrilled to share with you the top 5 natural tips to boost your hair growth and unlock your hair's full potential. So let's get started. Tip number 1, nourish from within. Remember, healthy hair starts from the inside out. Incorporate a balanced diet rich in vitamins, minerals, and proteins. Think leafy greens, nuts, fish, and eggs. And don't forget to stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water helps to keep your scalp and hair follicles hydrated, promoting faster growth. Moving on to tip number 2, scalp massage. Treat yourself to a luxurious scalp massage using natural oils like coconut, olive, or argan oil. Massage stimulates blood circulation to the scalp, delivering essential nutrients to your hair follicles and encouraging growth. Plus, it's a fantastic way to relax and unwind after a long day. Tip number 3, gentle care. Show your hair some love by being gentle with it. Avoid overstyling, excessive heat, and harsh chemical treatments that can damage your strands and stunt growth. Opt for natural hair care products free from sulfates and parabens. And don't forget to trim your hair regularly to prevent split ends and breakage. Now let's talk about tip number 4, herbal remedies. Mother Nature has provided us with an abundance of herbs known for their hair-strengthening properties. Experiment with herbs like rosemary, peppermint, and fenugreek to create nourishing hair masks and rinses. These natural remedies can help to improve hair growth and overall hair health. Last but not least, tip number 5, stress management. Did you know that stress can wreak havoc on your hair growth? Take time to unwind and practice stress relief techniques like yoga, meditation, or simply indulging in your favorite hobbies. Your hair will thank you for it. And there you have it, lovelies. 5 natural tips to kickstart your hair growth journey. Remember, consistency is key, so incorporate these tips into your routine and watch your hair flourish. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more hair care tips and tricks. Until next time, take care and embrace your beautiful mane. Bye for now.